Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Schmidt. It's so good to be back with you all. I wish we were in the classroom, but this will have to do for now. I'm going to go through a few things that has to relate just to math for distance learning. And if you have any questions, make sure you ask me before you mark done for the day. So what will distance learning look like in math? Okay, the lessons are going to be posted to Google Classroom every single day, and they're going to be in a Google Slides format just like this one. So everything that you would need for the day is going to be linked right here in the daily slides. And also your homework is going to be turned in on Google Classroom, just like we did on the practice day and just like we're going to do today. For each lesson, we're going to have 2 days for each lesson. So the day one, the first day, we're going to have a video or some kind of lesson where you're going to be taking down some notes. And then you'll also be doing some practice, so maybe a quizzes or maybe some extra just practice questions that are in there. And then day two, you're going to start usually with some IXL practice, and then you're going to be completing the homework for the day. Okay? And that homework is going to be due on that second day. Attendance. You are going to be required to go through the slides every day and complete any assignments that there are or watching any videos. And then you have to make sure that you mark done every day so that I can keep track of who is attending class and who isn't. So this is very important. So if you don't know where to find this button, please make sure you ask me. You're going to need some supplies for distance learning. Paper obviously is important, pencils or some type of writing utensil. I will allow pens and felt tip markers if for homework, because when you do take pictures of your homework, sometimes it's a little easier to have something darker. So I will allow that for now. Also, make sure you have a calculator and make sure you're bringing a positive attitude, because this is going to be very different for all of us. So make sure that you're coming with your best attitude every day because we're all learning. Office hours. I am going to be available from 10 a.m. to noon and again from 1 to 3 p.m. And I'm going to be available through email. I can be available through a Google Meet. And then there's also a Google Classroom. I have a question and answer document that will be posted there. So think about that Q&A doc being kind of like if you were to raise your hand in class and if you had a question that you think everybody needs to know, then let's post those on the Q&A doc so that everybody can see the answers to them. If you have any missing work, please make sure you take a picture or scan it in or email me. And the end of the quarter is Friday, so everything needs to be turned in by Friday. This also, if you have test corrections, please take a picture of your corrections and take a picture of your test or quiz. Homework. So I kind of mentioned this earlier, but homework is going to be due on that second day of the lesson, and you must show your work for credit. Okay, I'm not going to allow it without your work being shown because I need to know that you're understanding the content, so you need to have that work shown. And then sometimes I'll have answer keys posted, sometimes I won't. So if I do have an answer key posted, make sure you are correcting your homework, and if not, then just turn it in and that's fine, and I'll correct it. Uploading your homework to Google Classroom either by taking a picture with your phone or with your Chromebook, just make sure that's clear enough so that I can see your work shown clearly and your answers. Quizzes and tests. Okay, there aren't going to be any quizzes at this point. This could change in the future, but just as of right now, we've decided to stop quizzes. But we will be testing at the end of every unit, and I'll make sure that that information is given out to you when the time comes. Okay, if you have any questions, please make sure that you're checking the Q&A doc on Google Classroom. It's posted there today. And please don't hesitate to ask me any questions, okay? I know this is probably a stressful day, and I want to make sure that you're feeling supported in math, so please do ask me anything that I did not touch on in this video. There is a homework assignment, kind of a quick, short one, so please participate in that so I can make sure that everybody is attending. And please make sure that you're marking as done when you're done. Talk to you guys later.